Welcome to the study of biblical prophecy led by Pastor Desmond Dorsett. My name is John. On day one, it was Introduction to Biblical Prophecy. What is prophecy? Who are the prophets? How can we understand prophecy? On day two, prophecy and its reason for being. Prophets inspire us to do the work of God. Jesus used prophecy to explain himself. Prophecy is the revealing of God to make us better children of God, said Pastor Dorsett. Day 3, prophetic symbols are many, including love, lamb, dove, fire, bread, water, sword, the armor, and beasts. These present information in vivid ways, not easily forgotten. They used to help us stay in course. And symbolism, read in context, leads to salvation. On day 4, it was Matthew 24, Luke 21, and Mark 13, where Jesus gives a play-by-play account of how the world will end. There will be deception, false Christs and false prophets, betrayals and deception of many. There will be abomination and forced worship of the Antichrist and persecution. The gospel will reach the whole world, and deliverance will be in hand, and the second coming of Jesus will happen. On day 5, it was about the end of the age, the abomination of desolation. The next day 6, principles to approach the book of Revelation was discussed with those verses written there. And then it was followed by the 7 churches in Revelation 2-3, how when we were supposed to explain how each of the churches applies to you and me. Today, it's Revelation 14. Hope you'll join us. Remember, prophecy is always about the second coming of Christ.